Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I want to share some tips on how to maintain consistency in performing the 5 daily prayers. Salat berasal dari bahasa Arab yang mempunyai arti doa. Meanwhile, according to the term, prayer is a form of worship to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in the form of words and actions that begins with takbiratul ihram and ends with greetings and with certain conditions. Salat merupakan kewajiban utama bagi setiap muslim yang balik dan berakal. This is based on the words of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa aqimus sholata wa atuz zakata waruka'u ma'ar raki'in. And establish prayer, pay zakat, and bow with those who bow. Quran Surat Al-Baqarah ayat 43. Prayer is the main pillar in Islam. Prayers are obligatory for every Muslim as a form of devotion to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Prayer is not just a routine, but is a means of establishing a close spiritual relationship between humans and the Creator. Namun faktanya, masih ada sebagian orang yang enggan istiqomah melaksanakan sholat 5 waktu. Of course, for various reasons. There are quite a few people whose prayers are still empty. Of the orders to pray 5 times a day, only 2 or 3 carried out, while the rest are ignored. For example, Fulan only performs Subuh and Isya prayers, when Zuhur, Asar, and Maghrib do not pray because they are busy. Sebagai konsekuensinya, orang yang meninggalkan sholat dengan sengaja, maka diancam akan masuk neraka. In this context, the Prophet Muhammad often reminded his people about the consequences of not praying, including the possibility of being punished in the afterlife. Therefore, prayers that are missed or not performed regularly and with istiqomah can disrupt our spiritual relationship with Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and will also be threatened in the afterlife. So, here are some tips that can help you so that prayer is not missed and we can build consistency in this worship. Tips yang pertama adalah tidak menganggap sholat sebagai kewajiban semata, but as a necessity. Professor Qureshi had stated that prayer is a human need, a need for the soul of every human being. Furthermore, prayer is also a need for the human mind. True prayer is not just bowing, prostrating, and standing. Akan tetapi, kita diwajibkan melaksanakan sholat dengan khusyuk, karena khusyuk merupakan kunci dalam sholat. Second, realize that there is an opportunity for prayer to confide in and be close to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In Islam, prayer is a form of worship that has deep meaning and high spirituality. This worship is not only a sign of obedience to Allah, but also a way to establish a direct relationship between the servant and the Creator. Third, prayer is a Muslim's self-control. In fact, true practice helps that a Muslim will be closer to Allah, have a higher spiritual awareness, and develop good moral attitudes. Prayer also helps maintain discipline and self-control, and reminds Muslims to always do good and avoid bad behavior. For this reason, in Islam, prayer has various meanings and benefits, including preventing nahi and munkar. In the context of preventing nahi and munkar, prayer can also help a person become more sensitive to the social and moral needs of the community around him. A Muslim who diligently performs prayer is expected to tend to act to prevent bad actions, provide benefits, and make positive contributions to society. These are some tips that we can do to be able to istiqomah in prayer. Prayer should not be just a ritual of worship. Jauh dari itu, sholat merupakan kebutuhan kita semua. This is not just a duty of life. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.